Today, I want to focus on if your love was a book, what chapter are you in right now? If your love was a book, what chapter are you in? Because relationships evolve, and some chapters are joy, when you first fall in love at the beginning, but some are struggle. There are times when life's a bit of a struggle. Some are about growth, different times. Thriving love isn't about avoiding mistakes. We all make mistakes and we all get things wrong. We're constantly growing and developing and learning, or we should be. So it's about writing the next chapter together. How do we want the next chapter to be? And we set intentions, conscious, deliberate, clear, creative intentions. How do we want the next chapter to be? Um, and of course, we write the next chapter with hope that it might be at least as good as, if not better than, the one that we're in at the moment. So today, and for the coming week or chapter, what chapter do we want to write next in our love story? I'd love to hear what chapter you're in and what chapter you want to write next. And I'd love to be able to be part of helping you make that chapter better. So comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.